Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasi Prasad and I am a technical architect in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Today in this session, we'll be discussing email frequency capping and how we are going to implement email frequency capping. We'll also show you a demo how to implement. So first, let's start with what is email frequency capping. Email frequency capping is a strategy used by marketers to limit the number of emails sent to a single recipient within a specified time frame. What are the benefits? Email frequency capping are used to avoid email overload and fatigue for the subscribers. It also improves email engagement and open rates, and it also reduces the likelihood of email being marked as spam by the subscriber. So now we have understood what are the benefits of email frequency capping. To implement this use case, we need to define a strategy, and the strategy is to define the maximum number of email sends allowed within a given time period. Right? And then we have to segment those subscribers based on those number of email sends, categorize them, and use Automation Studio to track and enforce email frequency limit for the subscribers. So first, let me go to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud instance, show you the demo. This is my Marketing Cloud instance, and inside the Automation Studio, I have created one automation which has 7 steps. The first one is a query activity. Second one is also query activity. Third one is a verification activity. Fourth is the data extraction. Fifth is the file transfer. The sixth step is the import activity. So what does the first step does? The first step basically categorizes the subscriber based on the number of email sends for a particular week. And we are updating those details into a data extension called market frequency. Let me copy this query. In this query, I'm leveraging send data view and subscriber data view with their inner join on subscriber key. And I'm using a where clause with an event date for the last 7 days. I'm looking for the last 7 days date, and I'm grouping this particular select query on subscriber ID, subscriber key, and email address. And I'm categorizing the number of sends, which is count star. And if it is 0, I'm categorizing this particular subscriber to have a rare category. If it is less than or equal to 2, it's a moderate category. If it is less than or equal to 3, it's saturated. Then it is high frequency. If it is less than 4, and if it is more than 4, I'm considering it to be oversaturated. In the second step, I have another data extension as the target data extension, which is marketing suppression. Data action here is of type override. Here, what I'm doing here is selecting all the subscribers from that particular data extension market frequency, doing a left join to the publication list on the subscriber key, and I'm filtering only those subscribers which are either in oversaturated category or rare category. Those subscribers who are in oversaturated category, I'm marking them as unsubscribed, and those who are in the rare category and who are already subscribed in the publication list, I'm marking them as active. And the reason here I have given as market pressure. And I'm storing this detail into our data extension called marketing suppression. So this marketing suppression is working as a staging data extension. Thereafter, in step number 3, I have a verification. In this verification, I've set a rule that inside this marketing suppression, if the count is less than 1, I'm going to stop the automation. Why I'm stopping this automation? Because I'm doing a data extract, and after that I'm doing a file transfer, and in step number 6, I'm doing a import activity. So during the import activity, if we do not have any record to import, it throws an error. So for that reason, I have added verification activity in step number 3. In step number 4, I'm doing the data extract from this particular marketing suppression data extension, this data extension, this marketing suppression. And in step number 5, I'm pushing the file into the safe house. And in step number 6, I'm importing the file from the safe house in the destination. I'm selecting subscriber list, and the import type is email. And under the publication list, I'm selecting market pressure. The mapping, I'm selecting the action type as add and update, and I'm selecting map manually. I can choose a file, drag and drop the headers, and map it to the attribute of that publication list. And I have the final query. Inside this final query, what I'm doing here, I'm doing a select statement from the list subscriber where the list name is market pressure, basically fetching all the records from that particular publication list. So before running this automation, let me take you through the different data extensions. I have created 5 different data extensions. One is the master data extension, through which I'm basically sending emails to the subscribers. I have inserted 7 different dummy records, and I have attached the publication list, that is the market pressure, to this data extension, so I can track the subscriber details here. So currently all are in active state. All the 7 subscribers are in active state. Fine. Then this is the marketing suppression, where it will act as the staging data extension for which the data will be extracted and transferred to the safe house. And then we are doing the import activity. And this is my publication list data extension. So any records that we have in the publication list will be fetched and stored into the data extension. Under the Email Studio application, you can navigate to the subscribers tab, and from the subscriber tab, you can go to the publication list. And once you click on this publication list, this particular window will be open. And from here, you can click on create and then create a publication list. You can either mark it as public or you can leave it as private. Currently in my marketing pressure publication list, I have 7 subscribers. If you see this master D is under the tracking, all the subscribers are in active state. Now let me run this automation. So our automation is complete. Let's validate our data extension first. So this data extension, marketing frequency, would capture the number of emails sent per week and the category for each subscriber. So you can see we have 3 subscribers who falls under oversaturated category. Fine. Under marketing suppression, we have fetched those 3 subscribers and marked them as unsubscribed. Under the publication list, we have all those 7 subscribers and we are fetching their status. So those 3 subscribers who are oversaturated are marked as unsubscribed. Now let us go to this master DE and see how many subscribers are active and how many subscribers are unsubscribed. So I would go to the tracking. Now you can see there are only 4 subscribers who are in active state and there are 3 subscribers who have been unsubscribed. Let's go to this market frequency data extension. Currently, we have 3 subscribers which are under oversaturated category. What I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this category to a category of a rare state. And I'm going to modify 2 of the subscribers with 0 cents and mark them as rare. So I have updated these first 2 subscribers with number of cents to 0 and the frequency category as rare. What I'm trying to demonstrate here is we had this query which runs daily and it basically picks the last 7 days data from the same data view and categorizes the subscriber based on the number of cents. So since we have marked them unsubscribed, after a certain period of days, the subscribers will be categorized as rare. Fine. So what I'm going to do next is I'm again going to run this automation. I'm only going to run the automation from the second step because I've modified the first step as rare for the first 2 subscribers. So I'm skipping the first step and running this automation. And let's see if those subscribers would be marked active. Okay, so I have manually run this automation. I started running. And if you see this, if it has 0 cents and we'll categorize it as rare. Okay, this is the first step. And this is the second step where we are looking at the category as rare. And if it is unsubscribed in this publication list, I'm marking them as active. And then we are doing the data extract and importing to the publication list. So this automation is running. Once this automation gets complete, the subscribers which were unsubscribed will be marked to active. It means in the publication list, we'll have 6 subscribers as active and 1 as unsubscribed. So this automation is complete. Let's go to the master D and let's see the tracking. So you can see now the number of active is 86, which is 6 subscribers and only 1 is in the unsubscribed state. So based on this automation, you can define email frequency capping and you can also obviously modify the query based on your use case. So now let me go back to my blog. You can come to my blog. This is my URL for a blog, that is b2cc.blogspot.com, and you can come to this blog, Frequency Capping in Email Marketing, a comprehensive guide. I have listed all the details: what is frequency capping, what are the benefits, what are the categories of email frequency. Business might have a time-based frequency capping, they might have event-based frequency capping, or it might be based on the campaign or based on segment or preferences. And you can go through this blog, read it for yourself. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please do let me know. And if you like this session, please give a thumbs up and share the feedback. Thank you all. See you in some another session. Bye.